So before we get started on today's video, I wanted to take a moment and thank the almost 400 people that have taken the time, not only to watch our videos, but to give us a thumbs up, press the subscribe button. It costs you absolutely nothing. I really appreciate it. It keeps me motivated. I'm gonna show you the world's fastest teardown of a 62 Nova. We're gonna take the motor apart. I would really like for us to get to 500, and our buddy Jesse gave me a little bit of an idea. If you're new to the channel, press the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, give us a comment. I'm gonna randomly go through all of those comments at the end of this video. I'm gonna give it a week or so, let you guys have an opportunity to give us some cool comments and pick a few people and send some merch out. So if you're interested in a Jackwagon hat or a Jackwagon shirt, give us a subscribe, give us a comment down below and let us know what you think. Let us know what you'd like to see in our videos. Enough of my talking, let's go tear the car apart. So now we've identified all the damage. So now it's time to get all the beautiful stuff off and gain access to all the parts that need to be changed. Off with the fenders and hood.
Yeah, those things are good as new.
Waffled it. Oil pan, not optimal, but considering what it just went through, that's not bad, guys. That's not bad at all.
We made it. Yeah.
Next step is, let's go ahead and get the fluid out of the radiator. We'll disconnect it, and I'm gonna take the radiator and core support all out at one time, just to make it easy, because it'll bolt right back into the new one. And then we're down to pulling the motor and transmission. Sweet baby Jesus. Who made this mess? Cam position sensor down here.
You know a guy?
Yeah, I know a guy who made this mess. And he's gonna do a lot better job cleaning it up on the way back in. Remove some grounds. Pull another fuel line out.
Those are gonna require some more
Double nuts. All right, let's go ahead and pull these off. Look at the rockers, make sure they're all in one piece, and see if we need to order a set of rockers while we're at it. And from race week ready to front half in the car in a week, from running personal best to registering for a race that our car doesn't even have a front end or an engine on it. It's amazing what people will do to get one of these stickers. Let's see how bad it actually is.
I got it.
Oh, it's golden.
Beautimus.
It's golden. I don't even know if it got into the pickup. Wow, that piece of metal did though. That's not bad, Jeff.
No, it looks fun.
A new pan, a new pickup. The windage tray's not.
Windage tray looks untouched, which
Yeah.
I expected that.
Well, I just didn't know if it got the pickup into the windage tray and.
No, there's no telling. You never know whenever you go for the gusto like you did.
But this explains no loss of oil pressure. That wasn't gusto, that was the moon I was going for. That's good. Yeah, we had a little problem getting the dipstick out. It had gotten caught on the windage tray. We'll make a little modification to it. But yeah, nothing crazy. What do you think, Jeffrey?
I think it'll hold up for those little turbos you got.
Come on, brother. Ah. Plenty tight. It's just the perfect time to do it. We're waiting on a subframe to come in from AJE. We already have a pushed head gasket. So why not put a new set of cylinder heads on it and alleviate this problem down the road?
Well, it'll definitely help it. And
You're right, we can still get them out of there.
no, absolutely.
We can still push a head gasket regardless
Absolutely,
of
I have
but we
not-
might as well
there's-
give ourselves a fighting chance.
Right. They look fine.
Yeah, they don't look bad. If we had to, we could put them back on,
Absolutely.
but I'm choosing not to. Hit me up if you want them. They've been 903s. Just not 8s. I just want to make sure there's not any damage to the block. It doesn't look like it. That's fine.
Iron block.
Huh?
Iron block.
Okay, engine's out of the car and disassembled. New cylinder heads coming from Texas Speed. We'll be back together soon. Thanks for watching.